Hey guys, in today's video I am going to cover the blueprint that you can use to create a 7 or 8 figure software development offer. And a good offer is what will make the difference between just doing okay, making okay money, or you sipping cocktails on a beach in Bora Bora, if that's of course what you like to do and if you are done working and want to explore certain fun ventures. Before we get into the actual content, if you don't know who I am, my name is Sven. I'm the co-founder at Blinked. Together with my partner Wesley and our team, we help software development companies essentially build out their client acquisition systems to ensure that you get in full control of your growth and know what kind of new revenue will be coming in each day, each month. And we help you with scaling, we support you with recruitment. So we provide end-to-end support and end-to-end guidance on growing your business. There's a lot of extra details within this video and on our website, so feel free to have a look if you would like to. Like I mentioned, a good offer is something that will separate you from your competition. It's something that will allow you to charge more for your work because people see more value in what you do. And a good offer, an offer changes nothing about what you actually do, like the service fulfillment will stay the same. It's just how you position it and who you target with your offer, which makes massive difference in your pricing strategy, who you work with, working with better clients, working with better paying clients, which allows you to get better case studies because clients pay more. You work with clients that actually see the value in what you do, so the partnership will go way more smoothly. You charge more, so you have more resources to actually allocate to their account, and then it's an endless loop of getting better results, getting better case studies, getting even better clients if you leverage those case studies successfully, and it's just uphill from there, because it's an offer is that high leverage within your sales and marketing. But what is an offer? And to start off with, what is an offer? Definitely not. An offer is not doing bespoke software development, or we do web application development, or we assist you with your MVP strategy and with your design, for example. The offer that you have and the offer that you need to use within your outbound, for example, or how you need to position yourself in the market is not the service that you do, because people don't really care about what you do. They only care about what you can do for them. So, of course, it's important that your service delivery and the mechanism, the vehicle of delivery works well and is solid and is in place, but that's not something that, like, your client doesn't care if you do web application development via way A or way B, for example. They don't care. They just want the end result, and they just want something that works and that solves their problems. So if at the moment you are doing cold outreach or outbound or whatever, and you're not signing enough new clients, or if you're not getting enough onboarding new clients across the board without even doing outreach, and if you're not booking meetings, or if you get into the downhill battle of competing on price with competitors, which is something that we very often see happen, because usually software development is just seen as a commodity, same as web development, same as design. The total package is just, there are 1,001 suppliers that do the same, and it's just okay, we are going to get a proposal at company A, B, C, blah, 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 blah. We compare them and we just go for the one that has the lowest pricing and that we have the best feeling with, which is of course not ideal, because you are going to compete on pricing. And this battle, this loop, that the uphill thing, which allows you to deliver better results and get better case studies. If you get entangled in this competition, it's a downhill battle, because it's essentially you want the sale, less resources to allocate to their account, worse results, worse client experience, and the list goes on. So you are at the moment seen as a commodity, and that's something that we need to change. So how are we going to develop that 7 or 8 figure offer? There are 4 or 5 components. This one is not mandatory, but we have 4 components that are. The first one being a niche, and that changes again nothing about your service delivery, but you need to know you can't be everyone to anyone, because then you will be nothing to no one. You need to leverage case studies that you have while targeting certain niches that you want to work with. So don't try and sell web application development or bespoke software development to like the entire world, but look at your case studies, look at who you've helped, and leverage their results and their like case within the exact same niche. I know it's a no-brainer, but if you've helped, for example, wholesale companies or manufacturing or engineering companies, if you've helped them in the past and you've gotten them good results, then go ahead and leverage that case study within the same niche. So you are going to put your focus on that market. So let's say the engineering market, and you choose that and you go all in on it. And it's not like that you only help engineering companies from then on, but it's a point of focus that you are working on right now. Later on, you can switch your point of focus, or you can have like 3 points of focus, but it's important to know who you are targeting. Then you have the outcome. So it's not like the outcome is not, okay, you get a web app, or okay, we develop software for you, but the outcome is the problem that your client is looking to get solved. So if at the moment they have 10 employees working on a specific process, which they know can be automated or can be optimized or improved, whatever, that is the outcome that they strive for. And then an outcome level deeper is, okay, we want to save costs, or we want to increase revenue, however you position the outcome that they want to get. So you have a lot of different levels of outcomes. So the first one would be, okay, we need to automate a process, or we need to optimize a process. Okay, but why? We have too much overhead and we need to save costs, or we want to use these employees more efficiently, or in a position where they yield more results instead of what they are doing right now. Okay, why do you want to do that? Because we are looking to scale the company and we need more resources to do so. So that is the actual outcome that they are looking for. Then the time frame, because that's very important as well. Prospects don't care about a lot of things aside from can you get results and in what time frame, like how quickly am I going to see results from the work that you do. So include the time frame and the offer that you have. So for example, if you've helped company A with getting rid or like saving the work of 8 employees within 5 months, that's an offer in itself. So that's something that you can replicate if you are confident in that you are able to do that again and again and again. And if you're very confident in it, you can add a guarantee on it. So we guarantee that you get X result, or we will work for free until you do, or you get, like 50 development hours for free, etc., etc. And I know that sounds like weird to do, but like if you are actually confident, if you're good at what you do, then it's a no-brainer to offer a guarantee, because a lot of companies aren't confident in what they do and aren't confident in them being able to get results. So if you are, then please implement a guarantee. It will make like your selling process way easier. What you can also do is what we've seen within the market, for example, is that, and it probably sounds familiar, but that a lot of software development projects go way over deadline, because of course it's development and everything goes wrong. Even like change something small, a lot of stuff breaks and you need like more time to actually fix it. What you can do is, if you know that you have a solid development team in place, or if you know like 8 out of 10 times, for example, we deliver on like the set deadline. What you can then do is say like, okay, instead of our competitors, we actually deliver on the deadline and we guarantee that the project will be finished on X date. And if it's not, then you get, for example, a 2K voucher for development work in the future. So yes, you have 8 out of 10 times, so that's 2 out of 10 that you don't deliver on the deadline. But if your sales increase by 50% because of that, then like you have a net positive. So it's a no-brainer to implement a guarantee if you are sure about what you do. Then a unique selling point. It's not mandatory, but it's something that can help. If you have a great hero story on, okay, I went through something, I solved it myself, I've built it into a company because I know what kind of pain it caused for me. Or if you have like, I don't know, certain developers or certain talents from like big companies. If you have someone from Amazon that had like a big responsibility within the company, leverage that within your sales and marketing. Like show your prospects why you are different and that you invest in resources to actually get them better results. It's something that sets you apart from like the competition even further. So how can you like sort of conclude and condense an offer? we help industry/type of customer to get desired outcome within time frame, then removal of risk. So that could be we help engineering companies increase their efficiency by 50% within 12 months, or we work for free until you do, or you get a 2K voucher for other development work if we don't do that. That's a brief overview of an offer. So I've outlined some more below, just to get an idea of how do you actually create an offer, how do you take bespoke software development and turn it into something like this, because this is like, people buy into this because they get a certain outcome and they get a result, and this is worth money. This only costs them money. That's how people view it. It's really weird, but it's human psychology. But like, okay, I'm buying a product instead of, okay, I'm partnering with a company that has the same end goal in mind, and that end goal is improving my business, whether it be increasing the revenue or increasing efficiency or whatever. But like with this, it's just you are the supplier of a product. And if you like close prospects on offers like this, it's okay, we are your partner and we are going to help you to get to a specific end goal. So I hope that gives a good overview of how to like approach and how to look at positioning your like service delivery. And I mentioned it before, but like the positioning of your offer changes nothing about what you do, and you can see that like this is still done by developing a web app, or this is still done by designing a custom CRM or whatever. This is actually a real life example from one of our clients, and they built like a sales leaderboard. So I think that's good to elaborate on that. They built a sales leaderboard for a company, and okay, just the sales leaderboard is a bespoke software development project, but this is the outcome that their client got from implementing that sales leaderboard. So that's how you can position we do development into an actual offer. And you can take away this, okay, we helped recruitment agency A get this end goal. Okay, duplicate it and test it within their entire market. I've covered that a few times already, but I think it's good to emphasize the importance of leveraging this stuff. So if you want any help with how do I position my offer, if you want to dig into your growth goals, or if you want just overall help with setting up your client acquisition machine and get confident in your outbound revenue growth, get rid of the unreliable revenue streams, and ensure that new business numbers will never be spiky again, then have a look at the website, have a look at my LinkedIn, and I'll be looking forward to speaking to you about your company. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.